go.
Hi, good morning. Now we are going to do the conversion. So now we are going to do lower units. We are going to convert lower units to higher units. Lower units to higher units. You know what to do? Lower units to higher units means? Lower units to higher units means what you are supposed to do? You have to divide. You have to divide. Okay. So here I have written metric system gram. Let's do the quick revision. Gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. And this side lower units decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay. So here the first question is 2000 gram into kilogram. 2000 gram into kilogram. Okay. So now we are going to convert. So the formula is going to be 1 gram is equal to, anyhow you know that from lower units to higher units you are going means you have to divide. From here to 110, 210, 310, that means 1000. 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay, have you got it how I have written the formula? So now 2000 divided by 1000 kilogram. 30 will go in remainder. What is remaining here? Only 2. So 2 kg. This is the answer. Have you got it? Now the next question. 7300 gram into kilogram and gram. Okay, 7300 gram into kilogram and gram. So here also now again gram into kilogram we are going to convert. So 1 gram is equal to 10, 10, 10. So 1000. 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So 7300 divided by 1000 kilogram. So here 30. So 3 numbers will go in remainder. And 1 is remaining. So this is kg. And what is the remainder? That is, the remainder is going to be gram. Okay. The last 3 digit numbers is going to be gram. And what is left over? That is going to be kilogram. Okay. Shall we do one more question? Is 3805 milligram into milligram and gram. Okay. So now milligram is here. We are going to convert this one into gram, milligram to gram. So from lower units to higher units. So what 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon, from here to 10, from here to 10, from here to 10. So 1000 gram. 1000 gram. Okay. So 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. So 3805 divided by 1000 gram. So 1, 2, 3. Last 3 digit number 30. So you know the division, isn't it? So 30. So 3 numbers will go in remainder. That will remain as milligram. And the leftover 3 is going to be the gram. Have you got it? Shall we do one more question? One 680 gram into kilogram and gram. Kilogram and gram. Okay. So again 1 gram is equal to, we are going to convert into kilogram. So that means 1, 2, 3. 30. So 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So 1680 divided by 1000. Okay. Now 30. So 3 digits will go here and 1 left over, and here this is going to be kilogram and this is going to be gram. Have you got it? The remainder portion from ones place, that is going to be gram. What the number left over as quotient, that is going to be kilogram. Okay, watch this again, you will understand. If they give in as fill in the blanks, you can do it in your mind also, like you can do it this one in your mind. So you can write like fill in the blanks also. If they ask us fill in the blanks, you will write it as fill in the blanks. If the question is asked as a 2-mark question, you will solve it like this. Okay, thank you.